Hello, 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 hello. Hello? Hello, Moon? Are you there? Hello, hello, good evening. Good evening, good evening, Moon. And welcome, welcome to our class for today. I cannot see you. Teacher cannot hear you if you are speaking.
Khi tắt tiếng thành ra
Oh,
là
oh,
không có
hello.
tiếng.
Hello, good evening,
Mình phải
Missy.
tệ thật.
Con
Chuyên
vừa
gia.
thấy nhưng mà
Hello,
Đây,
Moon.
đây.
Hello, hello, Moon. Good evening, and welcome, welcome again to our class for today. So, hello. Can you hear teacher?
I can happy.
No,
I can ready.
you are ready. Wow, that's so fast. Okay, very good. So it's nice to see you again, Moon, and it's great to hear that you are ready. So we will start our lesson for today, which is all about spring. Let's say spring.
Red.
Spring.
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 Spring. Okay, very good. One more time. Spring, spring, spring.
Spring. Spring.
Very good. Wow, good job. So when we say
Spring.
spring, yes, very good. When we say spring, Moon, it is a season
It
where
is. I see a flower. I see red,
red.
blue, and yellow. But
Wow.
only have one
How many?
green. I see
Very
something green.
very good. The green are the leaves, or these are the leaves of the flower. And this one, is it blue or purple? Is it blue or purple? Its
It
color?
it color blue.
Ah, blue. Are you
Blue
sure?
teacher.
Blue or purple?
Blue teacher. Blue teacher.
Blue? It's purple. This one is color blue.
No, play on that. It blue.
Huh? This one is blue. This one is the color blue. And this one is the color purple. Blue,
Mm.
purple.
It is something pink.
Yes, it's something pink, but it's quite similar to pink, but we call it as purple. Like
But
this. Purple.
but but yellow rabbit is eraser.
Oh, it's an eraser? Is it your eraser? So can I see it? Can you show it to teacher?
Eraser.
It is.
Oh.
Eraser. Eraser have a white, but
Right.
only pink. Pink is it have a pen.
Teacher,
Oh, it's a
that
pen.
it only for pen, for ink. It only made of ink. Doesn't matching with pencil.
Oh, okay. Yes. Eraser cannot erase pen. It is only used for pencil. But it's okay. It's so good.
But
It's color
but
pink.
But some other eraser using to stopping ink, but cannot stopping the pencil
Oh,
drawing.
yes. There
So
is.
having many.
Yes, there is some eraser that we can use on pen's ink. But mostly we use eraser for pencil. Okay, so for this one, Moon, when we say spring, it is a season where flowers
it's
bloom.
spring, but have a pen is rabbit.
Oh, your
Rabbit.
pen is rabbit. Wow, do you like rabbit?
1 rabbit, 2 rabbit, 3 rabbit. I see 3 rabbit
Wow,
in the pen.
wow, very good. That's good to know. Good job. You can create your own sentence. You are improving. Very good. So there is 3 rabbits in your pen. Very good. So now let's go back to our lesson, Moon. So when we say spring, it is a season where flowers bloom. Oh, you also
Blue,
have you
pink,
also
blue, pink, blue, pink.
very good. That's blue. Very good. How about this one? What color is this? What color is this?
It's blue.
Very good. It's blue. How about this? What color?
The pen is rabbit is pink, but only have a teacher. It color hair is purple.
Yes, very good. So this is
Blue.
purple. Wow, very good. So now
What color
let-
is it, teacher?
it's color blue. Is it correct?
Teachers.
Pink. It's pink. Okay, nice job, Moon. So good job for sharing your knowledge regarding colors.
Something
So
orange.
something
orange.
something orange. Okay, now Moon. So let's watch a video
Teacher,
about
if some carrot, what color is the carrot?
carrot. It's color orange.
Let's sing a song.
Let's sing a song. Yes. Do you want to sing a song? So we have here
Yes.
we have here a song about spring, which is all about our lesson. So can you see it? Okay, now let's sing a song.
Music for a child's heart, body, and mind. Spring is here on the CD Seasonal Songs in Motion by the Learning Station. Spring is here, spring is here. How do you think I know? I just saw a bluebird, that is how I know. Spring is here, spring is here. How do you think we know? We just saw a bluebird, that is how we know. Do the bird walk and strut your thing. Do the bird walk, flap your wings. Do the bird walk, do anything, and look around for another sign of spring. Spring is here, spring is here. How do you think I know? I just saw a bee, and that is how I know. Spring is here, spring is here. How do you think we know? We just saw a bee, and that is how we know. Do the bee walk and strut your thing. Do the bee walk and flap your wings. Do the bee walk, do anything, and look around for another sign of spring. Spring is here, spring is here. How do you think I know? I just saw a ladybug, that is how I know.
Ladybug.
Spring is here, spring is here. How do you think we know? We just saw a ladybug, that is how we know. Do the ladybug walk, strut your thing. Do the ladybug walk and flap your wings. Do the ladybug walk, do anything, and look around for another sign of spring. Spring.
Okay, so we will end the song there. So, moon. So that is what we can see in the spring. So let's go first with this animal. So this animal. Do you know what animal is this? This one.
It is ladybug.
Very good. This is a ladybug. So ladybug is one animal that we can see in the
Ladybug
spring.
can walking.
Very good. Ladybug can walk. Can ladybug can fly? Can ladybug fly?
Yes,
no.
but
Yes. Yes, but
ladybug do not eating but
What
have when you have ladybug eating me.
oh, you
what
ladybug eating you?
Eating me.
Yes.
But
Okay.
ladybug eating me but not eating me.
Oh, not eating you. Okay. So next, how about this animal, Moon? What animal is this? Is this also a ladybug? Is this a ladybug?
Wow! It's big!
Very good. It's a bee. So good job. This is a bee. So we can also we can also see bees in the spring because they are the one who are in the flowers or are on the flowers. They are the one who sips the nectar of the flowers in the spring. So next, this one. How about this one, Moon? What animal is this? What animal? What animal is that? It's a bird. What color of the bird? What color is the bird? What color is it? Its color. Color what?
Color bluebird.
Very good. Color bluebird. Very good. Nice job. So that are the animals that we can mostly see in the spring. So now let's go back to our lesson here and let's learn more about the things that we can see in the spring. So let me just open this one. Okay. Let's take a look at this picture. So this one, what we
Wow!
can,
It's a
wow,
butterfly.
very good. There are two butterflies. What are the colors of the butterflies? What colors are the butterflies?
It's yellow.
It's color yellow. Very good. And there are how many butterflies?
It's yellow.
Yes, it's yellow. Oh, wow. Good job. I also have here a yellow. I have a yellow. Oh no, I cannot get a yellow. Tinin. I have here a yellow. What is this, Moon? Look at teacher. Tin, tin, tin. Ting. What is this? Do you know what is this? It is.
Con vừa nãy nhìn thấy
hỏi cái gì đây nè?
Look at teacher. What is
It's
this?
flower.
Very good. It
Sunflower.
is a sunflower. Very good. And what is the color of the sunflower? What color is the sunflower, Moon? Its color.
It's color brown and
Oh, yellow. Wow, good job. What is that?
No.
Is that a
and yellow
what is that?
and brown.
It's gold.
Oh, it's gold. Is that a perfume?
Cái màu gì đây?
It's fake gold.
A fake gold.
It's a model for
What is that?
gold.
Is that a perfume? Perfume?
No, it's a model.
Modo? What is that? What is Modo?
Model gold. That isn't real.
Oh,
Not real.
not
That
real.
not real. That
Oh.
go down up digging for mining for it.
Yes,
Teacher,
because yes,
teacher, but have bird is blue, but blue butterfly is fly. Can butterfly? Yes, I can fly, but I fly it. Yeah, what?
do you like butterflies, Moon?
Butterfly can fly.
Yes. Do you like butterflies? Yes
I
or
fly
no?
it.
You fly too with the butterflies?
It butterfly fly, but only have a butterfly. It is a cat flower. Butterfly like flower.
Yes, butterfly likes flowers. Good job. Wow, very good. So next, so we call this season that we can see flowers and butterflies and bird spring. Let's say spring, spring, spring. Spring, spring, spring.
Spring, spring, spring.
Okay, good job. Next, let's
Teacher,
go.
but
Yes.
heaven, when not heaven, when you spring.
Oh, you don't have
This is a
spring?
flower.
Very good. It's a flower. Good job. What color is the flower?
Flower is red.
Yes, flower is red. Very good. Next picture. How about this one? What is this moon? What is this? It's a,
It's
what's
a
this?
bird is brown and
What's this?
Word is brown. And
bird is
can,
brown and orange and yellow. But bird is yellow. Yellow,
yes.
yellow, yellow.
Wow, that's a yellow flower. Wow, that's good. Okay, very good. This is a bird, a brown bird. Next. How about this one? Wow, what animal is this, Moon? I think you know this animal. What animal is this? It is a small,
More is
what animal? Is it? What do we call this animal? So, Moon, we call this animal bunny.
it has the
Hamster? Are you sure this is a hamster?
no,
No.
but teacher, but hamster if it do not have a bunny.
Yes, very good.
It's a rabbit.
Yes, very good.
Rabbit do not eat bunny. Bunny.
Yes, so when we say bunny, it is a small rabbit. So this is a bunny. Okay, so next, wow, Moon, what is this?
A rainbow. Rainbow.
Very good. It is a rainbow.
But
Rainbow.
do not have a one having children blue.
Blue, very good.
Red.
Okay, Moon, what are the colors of the rainbow? What colors we have on the what color is
Red,
that?
red.
Red, very good. That's color red. Is that a shark?
Now, red.
Red shark?
My shark. It doesn't her shark.
It's yours? Okay, so next, how about this one, Moon? What is this? What do you see in the picture? It is it is rain. We call it as rain. Rain, rain, rain. Okay, let's say rain.
Có cái bông hoa rồi.
This is the rain. Next one. Wow. What is this, Moon? This is, what is this?
It is bike.
Very good. It's a bike. Good job. And next, how about this one? What
But
is
it is bulb. The bulb is
ball?
white and black.
White and black. Very good. Good job. This is a ball. Okay, so now let's learn more about these words. So let's take a look at the first object that we have here in the spring. Let's say the ball. The
It's a
ball.
ball.
Okay.
The ball.
Okay, very good.
Ball.
Very good.
Ball.
Ball. Do you have a ball?
The ball.
Do you have a ball, Moon? Yes or no?
Yes. Have.
Yes, I have. What color? What color is?
I have ball is red.
Oh, I have a red ball. Okay, very good. So
Did
this,
you have a ball?
I don't have a ball. Teacher don't have or doesn't have a ball. Okay, so this is a ball. So
The ball.
very
The ball
good.
it just the
This is, do you know what kind of ball is this, Moon? What kind of ball is this? Is this a football? football, basketball,
I have ball.
or
Teacher
soccer
don't
ball?
have a ball.
Oh yeah, I don't have a ball. Okay, so this is what we call soccer ball. Soccer
Soccer
ball.
ball.
Yes. So when we see a black and white ball, so the name of that ball
What
is
can
soccer ball.
what? I play backward. Build in the software.
In the-
On the
Oh,
software.
okay, very good. So next, how about this one? The next thing that we can see on the spring. What is this?
It's bike.
The bikes. Very
Bike.
good. Let's say the bikes. A bike or
Can
the
ride a bike. Bike can ride a bike.
very good. We can ride bikes because it is a vehicle that has two wheels. So when we say wheels, so let's look at this. These are the wheels of the bike, and we can ride a bike. Do you ride a bike, Moon? Yes or
Yes.
no? Oh,
I have a bike.
what
I have
is
a bike. It rain.
rain? Green or red?
I have a bike. Bike it rain.
Oh,
But
green.
I have a bike. It rain.
Very good. It's color green. Very good. So next. Okay,
I have
let's
a
look.
bike. It red.
Okay, so let's look at the next thing that we can see on the spring. What is this? It is the what is this, Moon? It is
It bird.
the bird. Very
The
good.
bird
Let's
can
say
fly.
the bird can fly. Very good. The bird is an
The
animal
one
that
bird,
can
two
fly.
bird, three bird.
Okay, very good. In the picture, Moon, how many birds are there? How many birds in the picture? There are
There are three birds.
very good. There are three. And what are the colors of the bird? There are three brown
Three brown
birds.
bird.
Okay, very good. Wow, good job. So next, let's go with the next picture. This is the next thing that we can see in the spring. What is this? It is the what? The it is the what? The flowers.
Flower.
Flowers. Very good. How many flowers can you see in the picture? How many flowers? Wow. How many flowers are there? There are? How many?
There are one flower.
Oh, only one? How about this three? 1 plus 3 is? 1 plus 3 is?
I can. 1 plus 3 equals 4.
Very
Two
good. Good job. Wow. So let's say there are
flower.
4
And 3 flower.
4 flowers. Okay, let's count.
And
1, 2, 3, 4
4
flowers. Very good. So Moon, when we say flowers, so
flowers.
these very good. So flowers are colorful
Are
plants that grows in gardens and
teacher,
fields.
but have a square. I do not have a square.
Oh, you don't have square? This one. This one is a square.
Square.
This
I have a square, but teacher have a square. No.
no square.
Teacher have square. I have square, but teacher build. I do not have a square.
I have a square. Look, this is my square. Okay, so this is flower. So next, let's move on to the next page. Okay,
This is square. I
this,
square
there's
big is picture.
mine is bigger. Look, ting. Big
Ah!
square.
Yeah, big.
Big square. How about yours? Draw a square. Wow. Is it a square? Is it a square or
I have.
rectangle? Square or rectangle? I
I
think
have.
I think
I
that's
have.
a rectangle.
I have is square. Big. Big. Have a not square.
Oh, is that a square? No, it's a rectangle. This one, like this. This one is a rectangle. So when we say square, there are equal sides. But for rectangle, there are two longer sides, like what you have drawn. So this is a rectangle instead of a square. Okay, so now Moon, let's go back to our lesson. So let's go with this object. What is
What
this, Moon? Okay. What is this?
is
This one.
square?
The rain. This one. Is it a square? What is this? This is the rain. Let's say the rain.
The rain.
Okay,
Rain.
very good. When we say rain, it is the water that falls from the
It's
clouds. Yes,
the
it's
cloud is rain.
yes, the cloud has rain. So rains are water that falls from the clouds like this, as what we can see.
That's
So
him I.
can I? Okay, very good. So good
But
job.
but play backward is the sofa. You
Oh, do you play outside? Moon, do you play outside when it is raining? Yes or no? Do you play outside?
no.
No,
It
I don't.
outside it rain. I do not playing.
Oh, you don't play in the rain. That's good because you might get sick if you play in the rain.
But
But
rain or only have a half children. The rain have water. But
yes,
I don't know who playing in outside in
in
rain.
oh, okay. That's good to know that you don't play in the rain. So very good. So this is the rain. So next, how about this one, Moon? What is this? This is the
It is rainbow.
rainbow. Very good. What are the colors that you can see in the rainbow?
I can see red, orange, and
Yeah,
yellow, blue, and purple.
very good. Red, orange, yellow, green. So we call this one blue. This one is blue, and this one is indigo. This one,
See
indigo.
what indigo blue.
Yes. Indigo is similar to blue, but we call it as indigo in rainbow. So red, orange, yellow,
I
green,
see.
blue.
I see many colors.
Colors. Very good. Wow, that's nice. Because when we say rainbows, these are many colors in the sky. So we can usually see our
Rainbow do not sky.
oh,
Is the
it's
one is the sky, but have
Yes.
a crown and pew is a
Yes,
crown.
very good. So we can see rainbow after the rain and sunshine. So that is a rainbow. Okay. So
I don't have
Moon,
a rainbow.
oh, you don't have a rainbow? Okay, so Moon, so we will
I
continue. Oh,
have
yes.
rainbow, but I have rainbow. You know, it is a left. A
It's on
left
the
is
left.
rainbow.
Okay, very good. So show it to teacher in
Okay,
our next class, okay?
okay,
Because
but left is I see a rainbow.
rainbow, very good. Okay, so
I
Moon,
like rainbow.
oh, I like rainbow too. So good
Okay.
job. So good job in this lesson. So Moon, so we will continue this lesson next time, okay? I think it's on Tuesday. So we will continue this lesson next Tuesday, okay? So good job, Moon. Good job for today. And see you again soon. So bye-bye. Bye-bye,
Goodbye, teacher.
Moon.
Goodbye,
Goodbye.
teacher.
Goodbye,
Goodbye, teacher.
goodbye.